Are you guys looking for a beautiful 2-story home, 3,000 square feet here in Inspirada, Henderson? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because behind me, we have the Bobby floor plan, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is April 3rd, 2025, and today we're here at the grand opening of Lucere by Lennar here in Inspirada, Henderson. Now, if you're not familiar with where Inspirada is, we are about 25-30 minutes south of the Las Vegas airport and strip. Inspirada is a great master plan community, definitely one of my favorites. I actually live here. The reason why I love it is because you have parks close by, you have great schools. All those parks have like swimming pools, they're heated, and you have barbecue areas as well as basketball courts. But guys, I will have the floor plan on the screen for you. So here they offer 6 different floor plans, okay? All of them are going to be ranging from $634,990 all the way up to $767,990. Now, that largest floor plan that you see, the Greg model, that's going to be the only next gen suite in the community, okay? When you look at the base prices with Lennar, just so you know, the total price isn't actually too far off from the base price, okay? Because Lennar has a really nice standard features. Some of the upgrades that they'll typically do will either be like cabinets, countertops, and flooring, but that's pretty much it. No structural upgrades that you can do. Lennar is a volume builder. They are a spec builder. So by the time that you get into contract, most likely you're probably going to be purchasing a quick move-in home. The best part about buying quick move-in homes is Lennar has some of the best incentives right now. And if you want a good deal, you got to go with the move-in ready homes, guys. But if you're looking to still pick out, let's say like your flooring or cabinet, then you have to go with a lot that will be completed in about maybe like 4 or 5 months. That way you could still have time to pick out your options, okay? Out the door, you're looking at about mid 600s to about 800, okay? As far as the HOA is concerned, it's $138 a month, but that includes so much, guys. So again, you have all the amenities that I listed above, but also this specific community, you have Vision high-speed internet that goes up to 1.2 gigs, okay? Now, if that internet speed isn't fast enough for you, you could actually upgrade, and I mean, then you would have to pay a little bit more, but you could get faster speeds, okay? Now, schools here, for elementary, you have Shirley and Bill Wallen, Del E. Webb for your middle school, and then you have Liberty High School. Now, this community is going to have 250 homes. Guys, they just opened. I think they sold about maybe like 10 to 12 homes, so they still have more room to grow. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Bobby floor plan. Now, the Bobby floor plan is 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-story, and the base price as of today is $704,990. Guys, right now they do have a move-in ready home that's $718,315. Because it's move-in ready, more wiggle room, guys. Again, the best deals are going to be with the move-in ready homes. But yeah, paver driveways included, desert landscaping. Okay. So we'll head to the entry door. Now it's going to be along the side over here. Now you will have a bedroom downstairs, if that's important to you. I know that's a must for a lot of buyers. So right when you get here, you have a nice 8-foot door. That means you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings inside. All right, so welcome in. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. So to the left, you're gonna have really nice size living room, kitchen, dining room. And then to the right, you're gonna have your guest bedroom. So what we'll do is we'll start off over here. Check out this bedroom. Right. Yeah, very spacious bedroom here. All the bedrooms are gonna include like a pre-wired to ceiling fan right here. So that way you get a ceiling fan light. Okay, so you're gonna have this window. This room is always gonna face the front of the house. Oh, this is nice. So you have a walk-in closet. Right, you're gonna have a transfer grill. It's gonna help regulate the airflow. Now right over here, you're gonna have your 3/4 bath. So you have your walk-in shower, fiberglass enclosure. Okay, so remember with Lennar homes, most of them are gonna be spec homes. There's no structural upgrades that you could do with Lennar homes. Okay, you'll have your single sink. I would say 9 out of 10 of the homes, or maybe even all of them, are gonna have like this type of quartz for your bathroom, as well as the undermount sink and this Moen faucet. I mean, I'd say safe to say, probably all the homes will have that, yes. So you're right here, you're gonna have your door to your garage, okay? It's gonna be locked because they keep that as storage. Now right over here, you'll have your, nice, you have some storage space. Okay, you have plenty of storage space. Look at this, let's see how far it goes. Okay, so it stops right about there. Now, all the interior doors you're gonna have are gonna be the 5-panel doors, except for that garage door. So, again, very spacious living room area. I love that you're gonna have windows, like on that wall, you have the 3 windows, the large slider in that window. So you're gonna have a lot of natural light come in. Okay, and most of the spec homes are gonna have hard flooring all throughout the first floor, except for the bedrooms. Now, whether it's tile or vinyl plank, it really just depends on the spec home. Okay, so you have the GE appliance package. Okay, so GE oven, cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, as well as refrigerator. And yes, the microwave, it does vent outside the house as well. You have your undermount stainless steel single basin sink with your Moen faucet. Okay, this is a water filter here. It's up to you if you want to go with the, forget who the water company is, but you know, they could service it for you. I know they give you 1 free filter when you move in. But yeah, beautiful kitchen. Okay, love the cabinets. Love this color. Okay, backsplash. That is optional, guys. Depending on when your house, when you get into contract, when it closes, you may be able to add some backsplash, but I don't think most of the homes are gonna have backsplash. Some of them might, but I think most of them won't. Okay, so here we have your pantry. All right, really spacious pantry. So nice. We have your backyard. Now, when you move in, you're gonna have a dirt lot in the back, and then you have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. All right, let's head up to the second floor. Okay, nice. So you do have a landing step right there. Okay, high ceilings. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well. Oh, okay. So check this out. This is a really spacious second floor. Really open. Nice size loft right here. And then you have this area as well. Okay. So to the right, you're going to have your laundry room and then your primary bedroom. And then to the left, you're going to have your guest bedroom. So we'll start out over there. All right, so this is guest bedroom number 1. All right, so you got your light up there. You could definitely switch that out for a ceiling fan if you like. Also, this paint, you're gonna have like flat white paint all throughout the house. Okay. Now the flat white paint gets dirty pretty easily. So I know a lot of buyers that after they move in, they'll either they'll repaint it and they'll do like semi-gloss, something that's a little bit easier to clean. So pretty standard size room. I'd say this is probably like a 10 by 11. Right. So right over here, you have your single sink, your toilet, and your shower tub. Out here, little good view of Inspirada. So those homes that you see over there, those are going to be KB. KB actually was the largest builder out here in Inspirada. They've been building out here for 17 years. They're wrapping things up this year though. But it's really nice. You have like these little mountain views all throughout. One thing I really like about Inspirada too, it's really close to it's in the south end of Las Vegas. So, you know, like let's say if you're driving from California, Inspirada is actually the first exit you would take on your way to Las Vegas. Okay, so here's the other bedroom. All right, so these bedrooms have transfer grills to regulate the airflow. You have your attic access right up there. Okay, so here's the laundry room. You got your GE washer and dryer. You have your nice cabinets. Your smart panel box right here. Okay. Now guys, if you've been watching these new construction videos and you are interested in buying a new construction home, you're thinking about visiting community for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you already have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure you go with your realtor. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go to a new construction community on your own, the new build agent's going to either have you fill out a registration card or ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you provide that to them, they're gonna log you in their system as having no agent. The big difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, it's definitely important for you to get representation, especially because we're very familiar with the process. So, we know how to guide you through it. We know what we can negotiate. So yeah, this primary bedroom is spacious. So to the bathroom, your primary bath here, I like that it's pretty wide, this area. Doesn't feel too narrow. So right over here, you're gonna have your toilet, your dual sinks, your tub, and your shower. Again, what you're seeing here, that's the bathroom configuration. There's no customizing it. There's no opting for like the larger walk-in shower. Okay, really good size walk-in closet here as well. All right. But But yeah, if you have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, you're looking for the best deal on a Lennar home, I work with one of the best Lennar builders in the Las Vegas Valley, guys. He always helps me and my clients get the best deals. So again, if you're trying to reach out to me, have any questions, my info is going to be description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.